So no surprise here, guys. No surprise here. All these marketing media geniuses said the exact same thing. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? It's no surprise. You need to download TikTok. Now, many of you already have, right? Many of you already have. But some of you are still not playing the TikTok game because you're like, I'm not going over there with those young whippersnappers. I feel weird. It's so weird. Let me tell you who's crushing it over there. Statistically, 32% of people over the age of 50. Boom! Come on, guys. That's incredible. That's incredible. So listen. I know how you feel about TikTok, some of you. Some of you already are going, oh, I already knew that. I know that about TikTok. TikTok's amazing. TikTok is amazing. But listen, for those that are a little afraid of it, I'm going to help you out. I really want to get you excited. I want to show you the value in it. So listen to this. You don't have to. You don't have to. But you won't be doing what the top creators are doing to save time. Isn't that what we all want? When we really start becoming a network marketer and figuring out the whole process of what's happening, we want debt freedom. But all of us know that the one freedom that leads to all the other freedoms is time freedom. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. So you go to TikTok. You got your pens and paper? I'm giving you a huge step here. This is awesome. It's simple, but you got to write it down. You got to write it down. You got to replay this and replay this and replay this and replay this. Go to TikTok. Go to the For You page. And I'm going to tell you how to get there. I'm going to tell you. You go to the For You page by clicking on the home button in the bottom left-hand corner of your phone on TikTok, okay? Then choose the For You at the top of the page. Once you've gone to home, you're going to see it at the top. It says For You. Click on it, okay? That's where you're going to start finding the people you need to market to. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to type in hashtags that relate to your marketing, the person. I want to say niche. Some of you don't know what that means. So to your person that needs your product. Do you know who that is? Quickly, it's you. Just a couple months before you found network marketing. Just before you found the product that has solved things for you. That's the person you're looking for because they speak in the vernacular of you. They live in the season that you do. You know what they need every day, the obstacles they go up against, the things that they love, the passions that they have. You know that already, so you know who to look for. So here we are, you're on the For You page, and you're gonna type in hashtags that relate to your person. What could that be? Who are you right now? Who are you? Are you a mom with toddlers? Are you a mom that is an empty nester? Are you a mom of teenagers? Are you a dad that loves building things in his garage? Are you a single dad? Are you a veteran? Are you a college student? Do you understand what I'm saying? Know who you are, and then I want you to identify that person, and then I want you to bring out the hashtags that goes along with that person. It could be mom life, dad garage, anxious parent. I want you to start looking at the hashtags, okay? Look at those hashtags. Now I'm gonna tell you something really quickly because you may be saying this. Nicole, why TikTok? Why TikTok? Because the trends are happening there first. They are happening there first. By the time those trends have made it to Reels, they're old, which is kind of like 2 weeks, but still, everything always happens first on TikTok. So you're 1 foot ahead of the game, okay? Now type in your hashtags, then look at the top videos. Because when you type it in and you hit return, you're gonna see top videos, and they're bigger than most. They're bigger than most. Take 8 seconds, that's all you need. 8 seconds to look at those top videos and the hashtags that talk about who you are, okay? Now, this is something that you can recreate, and I'm gonna give you 2 choices. These are 2 things that are gonna save your time, and it's gonna help you come up with content, and this is all happening on TikTok now. This is all happening on TikTok. And if you don't wanna do it, that's perfectly fine. You could do it on Instagram, but I wanna give you the tip that the top marketers gave. They were all unanimous, all of them, all of them. So here it is. Number 1, ready for this? Saving you time, here we go. Okay, download that video that you find. You're looking at all these in about 8 seconds, you're gonna be able to find 1 or 2, okay? You're gonna go, oh, that speaks to me. Ooh, I like that person. Oh, I like that video. Yeah, that's just like me. Wow, I need to do that video. Okay, so that's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. So you're gonna download that video to your phone, put it in a separate folder. If you do not know how to create folders on your phone, Google it. How do I create a folder on my phone? Google it, super easy. So you're going to download that video to your phone and name it something like social media inspiration or social media photos or social media videos, okay? So now you have a place where you have all of these videos that you can go back to for content. Not only can you make videos, but even if you don't want to make videos, you have content that you can write about because they're fantastic. You look at it and go, oh my gosh, that's my person. I love this. Now you have content that you can put in your stories. You have videos that you can recreate, right? Number two, on a weekend or weeknight, depending on your schedule, take 1 hour. And this is what the marketers are doing, guys. They're giving this advice. They're giving this advice. They take 1 hour. They set a timer for that 1 hour and they search those hashtags and they copy. I love this. This is my favorite. Listen to this. They copy and they paste the link, which you can find by clicking the bottom 3 white dots on the bottom of your TikTok, right? Bottom right corner. When you click on that, you're gonna see copy link. That's how you get the link. Then you're going to go paste that link in a Google Doc. Oh, what's a Google Doc? Go Google it. Google Doc is Google Drive. And if you don't have Google Drive on your phone, and you can, by all means, download it because it's free. It is free. It is free. Okay? So then you're going to go to Google Docs. You're going to open Google Docs and you are going to paste that link into Google Docs, and right above it or right below it, wherever you choose, you are going to paste a little bit about why you liked that. You're going to put a description. You're going to take notes on it. I like this video because I like the way she talked about her business. I like this video because I want to create what she said about her product. Put those notes there so you know exactly what each link is for. Name it, title it. It could be product link. It could be business link about making money, whatever it is. So every time you see a link, you know what it is. So you're not, because you're going to have like 10 of these, right? 20 of these. And you want to put a description and also put your notes of what it reminded you of so you don't forget, because if you're anything like me, I am better on a hot waffle when it comes to my brain, right? So you want to make sure that you put these descriptions down there. Now, once you paste it and you put that description, you're going to have ideas for days. Not just for content for videos, but content for your stories, content for your Facebook posts, content for Instagram feed, all of it. It's an incredible way to just continue to have things that you don't run out of. Now, let me tell you, this is a very wise system. It's a very wise system. And the number one system that the top marketers are using right now. So